In this video, I'm going to show you how to check a Calendly appointment quickly and easily. If you have meetings booked on Calendly and want to see the details, confirm the time, or open the meeting link, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using the email address connected to your meetings. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the meeting section. This is where Calendly keeps track of your scheduled appointments in one place. After clicking meetings, Calendly will organize your appointments by date. That makes it much easier to find what you're looking for because you can simply scroll through the page and check upcoming meetings in order. Take your time and look for the appointment you want to review. If you have a lot of bookings, keep scrolling until you find the correct meeting. You may be looking for a specific client call, a team meeting, or a one-on-one appointment. Once you spot the appointment, click on it to open the full details. When the appointment opens, you'll be able to see important information such as the invitee's name and details, the scheduled meeting time, and the meeting link. This is especially helpful if you need to confirm where the meeting will happen or copy the link before the call starts. You can also use this view to double check that everything is correct before your appointment begins. If the time looks right and the link is there, you're all set. If not, you now know exactly where to go in Calendly to verify the booking, and that's it. Checking a Calendly appointment only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Just log in, go to meetings, scroll through the dated list, select the appointment, and review the details. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.